Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram keeps stopping problem and Instagram has stopped error. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option, then tap on search bar, search for Instagram. See, tap on Instagram app and scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back. And now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission, first calendar allow, back, second call logs allow, another camera allow, and contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram and now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated showing. Now tap on update option and waiting a few minutes. Now complete your Instagram update, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please like, comment and share now.